Abba News Front, Abba Universal Film Productions, Abba Today's News. Summarize the video, recommend related content, list the 5 production stages. Which stage is most expensive? Is marketing only for distribution? Summarize the video. This video breaks down the 5 essential stages of filmmaking, emphasizing that each is crucial for turning an initial idea into a finished product. The 5 stages of film production. Development. This is the foundation where the script is written, funding is secured, and the core team, producers, writers, directors, is assembled. Without funding, the project cannot proceed. Pre-production. The planning phase. This involves breaking down the script, finalizing the budget and schedule, hiring key crew members, like the cinematographer and production designer, casting, and securing locations. Production. The filming stage, where the cast and crew bring the script to life. It is the most expensive phase due to the high number of people involved in the logistics of capturing shots on set. Post-production. Once filming wraps, footage is edited. This stage includes sound design, visual effects, music composition, and color grading to give the film its final look. Distribution. The final stage of sharing the film with an audience. This includes festival submissions, selling to distributors, and releasing through cinemas or streaming platforms. The video notes that marketing and promotion should ideally happen alongside every stage of production, rather than just at the end. Abba Filmmaking. The clear, stage-wise breakdown of filmmaking with the primary focus and the core team involved at each phase. 1. Development focus. Turning an idea into a viable, funded project with a solid script and creative foundation. Key activities: idea generation, concept refinement * script writing, rewrites, and script development, securing rights, if adapting existing material, pitching to producers, studios, initial budgeting and financing strategy, attaching key talent, producer, sometimes director, lead actor, to increase project appeal. Core team, producers drive the project, secure financing, manage development, writers develop the screenplay, treatment director, sometimes attached early, provides creative vision. Studio, network, investors, provide or approve funding. Entertainment lawyer, handles contracts, rights, and options. Outcome: a greenlit project with a script, approximate budget, and financing plan. 2. Pre-production. Focus. Planning and preparing everything needed so shooting can run smoothly and on budget. Key activities: * finalizing script and breaking it down, scene by scene. * finalizing budget and schedule. * hiring key crew, department heads. Casting actors. * location scouting and securing permits. * designing sets, costumes, and overall visual style. * storyboarding and shortlisting. * technical planning, camera, lighting, sound tests. * creating call sheets and production schedules. Core team. * producer, line producer, manages budget, logistics. * director, leads creative planning. * first assistant director, first ad, schedules and runs set logistics. * casting director, leads casting process. * director of photography, dope, cinematographer, plans visual approach. * production designer, oversees art department, sets, props. * costume designer, hair and makeup designer. * location manager. * heads of departments, HODs, camera, sound, grip, electric, art, wardrobe, etc. * production office staff, coordinators, assistants. Outcome: a fully planned shoot with cast, crew, locations, and all departments ready. 3. Production principle photography. Focus. Capturing all the planned footage, video and audio, according to schedule and creative vision. Key activities. Asterisk shooting scenes on set or on location. Asterisk directing actors and blocking scenes. Asterisk operating cameras, lighting, and sound equipment. Asterisk managing daily schedules, call times, and logistics. Asterisk ensuring safety and continuity. Asterisk recording wild sound, B-roll, and coverage. Core team. Asterisk director, guides performances and creative decisions. Asterisk producer, line producer, oversees budget and operations. Asterisk first ad, runs the set, manages time. Director of photography, leads camera and lighting. Asterisk camera crew, operator, first AC, focus, second AC, clapper, loader. Asterisk sound crew, sound mixer, boom operator. Asterisk grip and electric, gaffer, key grip, lighting technicians. Asterisk art department, set decorator, props master, standbys. Asterisk wardrobe, hair and makeup, on set continuity and changes. Asterisk script supervisor, tracks continuity and script changes. Asterisk production assistants, pass, support across departments. Outcome, all raw footage, rushes, dailies, captured and logged for post. 4. Post-production focus assembling, refining, and polishing the film's picture, sound, and effects into the final cut. Key activities: picture editing, assembly cut right pointing arrow, rough cut right pointing arrow, fine cut right pointing arrow, final cut, sound editing, ADR, dialogue replacement, Foley, sound design, music composition and scoring, visual effects, VFX, creation and integration, color grading, color correction, title design, credits, and final mastering, creating deliverables for different platforms, DCP for cinema, streaming files, etc., preparing marketing assets, trailers, clips. Core team, director and producer, oversee creative and final approvals, post-production supervisor, coordinates post-workflow, picture editors, lead editing, sound team, sound designer, re-recording mixer, Foley artist, ADR editor, composer, music supervisor, create and clear music, asterisk VFX supervisor and artists, asterisk colorist, handles color grading, title and graphics designer, asterisk the digital intermediate team, final mastering, outcome, a finished film ready for distribution and exhibition. 5. Distribution focus, getting the film to audiences and maximizing its reach and revenue. Key activities: festival submissions and strategy, negotiating deals with distributors, streaming platforms, or broadcasters, planning theatrical release, if applicable, marketing and publicity, trailers, posters, press, social media, subtitling and dubbing for international markets, managing rights, royalties, and contracts, monitoring performance and audience reception. Core team, producers, sales agent, lead distribution negotiations, distribution company, handles theatrical, digital, or physical release, publicist, marketing team, manage promotion and press, entertainment lawyer, contracts and rights, film festivals and film commissions, exposure and support, theaters, streaming platforms, broadcasters, exhibition partners, media and press, reviews and coverage. Outcome: the film reaches its audience through cinemas, streaming, TV, or other channels, and revenue begins to flow back to rights holders. If you'd like, I can tailor this to a specific type of project, e.g., low-budget indie, Tamil commercial feature, short film, or web series, and show how the team and focus shift in those contexts. The Abba Universal Film Production. Abba making an amazing film involves creativity, collaboration, and technical skills. Let's look at the steps to turn ideas into captivating movies. 1. Development. Initiation phase. 2. Pre-production. Planning phase. 3. Production. Execution and control phase. 4. Post-production. Execution and control phase. 5. Distribution and exhibition. Closure. Phases of movie. 1. Development. Investor's standpoint. Movie story genre. The script is written and formatted into a workable guide for the film. 2. Pre-production. Investor's standpoint. Budget, genre, team, plot. This is preparing for shooting the film. Crew and cast are hired, locations are chosen, and the sets are built. 3. Production. Director's standpoint. Dates, management, set, design, shooting. The filmmaker shoots the film in its entirety. 4. Post-production. Distributor's standpoint. Distribution companies, advertising, budget, special effects, runtime. The film is edited, music, sound effects, and any other effects are added. 5. Pre-release. Exhibitor's standpoint. Trailer, feedback, no off-screens, movie buzz, star buzz. 6. Released. Analyst's standpoint. First week sales, critics' reviews. 3 week sales ratings. 7. Distribution. A distributor takes the film on, and it is shown to the public. Abba Universal Film Production. DEPARTMENT. 1. Abba Pre-Production Department. Throughout the first stage of pre-production, filmmakers engage in extensive research, script, drafting, development, film funding, procurement, team, staff recruitment, location scouting, and acquisition of filming permits. 2. Abba Production Department. Production begins with casting actors, assembling a skilled crew, preparing sets and costumes, and filming to bring the script to life with enhanced storytelling through sound and music. 3. ABBA Post-Production Department. Post-production involves editing footage, adding special effects, sound design, music composition, color enhancement, and creating promotional materials for the film release. 4. ABBA Distribution Department. Efforts are dedicated to strategically distribute and promote the film. By using a comprehensive marketing plan to effectively engage the target audience through advertising, it will help the distribution of the film. The comprehensive overview of the Abba major film production departments. 1. Production Office, the hub. This department handles the logistics, budgeting, scheduling, and administration. Producer, the creative and financial engine, oversees the project from inception to distribution. Line producer, unit production manager, UPM, manages the budget and day-to-day physical logistics. The UPM is often the head of the below-the-line crew. Production coordinator, the communication hub, handles paperwork, travel, and supplies. Production assistants, PAs, the entry-level roles, run errands, distribute call sheets, lock up sets, and assist various departments. 2. The camera department, responsible for capturing the visual image as defined by the director, director of photography, DP, cinematographer, the head of the department, responsible for the lighting and camera aesthetics. They are the director's primary visual collaborator. Camera operator, physically operates the camera, unless it is a Steadicam shot. First assistant camera, first AC, focus puller, responsible for keeping the camera in focus during the take and maintaining the camera build. Second assistant camera, second AC, clapper loader, slates the scenes. Clapperboard, manages camera reports, and loads film or media cards. Digital imaging technician, DIT, manages the digital workflow. color management on set, and data backup. 3. The Grip and Electric (G&E) department. These two departments work hand in hand to shape light. Electric handles the electricity and lamps, Grip handles the stands, modifiers, and camera support. Gaffer, the head of the electrical department. The gaffer is the DP's chief lighting technician. Best Boy Electric, the gaffer's second, manages the lighting crew and rental equipment. Key Grip, the head of the Grip department. Responsible for all non-electrical lighting equipment, diffusion, flags, and camera support, dollies, cranes. Best Boy Grip, the Key Grip's second, manages the Grip crew and equipment logistics. 4. Sound department. Responsible for recording dialogue and on-set audio. Production sound mixer, the head of the department, mixes the audio on set using a mixing board and boom microphones. Boom operator positions the microphone on a boom pole close to the actors without entering the camera frame. 5. Art department. Responsible for the visual aesthetics of the physical environment, sets, locations, props. Production designer, the head of the department, creates the overall visual concept for the film's sets, color palette, and architecture. Works closely with the director and DP. Art director manages the construction of sets and the workflow of the art department, translates the production designer's vision into technical blueprints. Set decorator, responsible for the furniture, curtains, wallpaper, and dressing the items on set. Prop master, responsible for the hand props, items actors pick up, like guns, phones, or coffee cups. Construction coordinator, manages the carpenters and laborers who physically build the sets. 6. Wardrobe, costume department. Costume designer, designs the clothing for all characters to reflect personality, class, and narrative arc. Costume supervisor, manages the budget, rentals, tailoring, and continuity of wardrobe. Wardrobe assistant, stylist, stays on set to maintain continuity, ensuring a shirt stays untucked if it was untucked in the last shot, and to assist actors with quick changes. 7. Hair and makeup. Key makeup artist, department head, designs the makeup looks. Special effects makeup, SFX, specialists in prosthetics, gore, aging, and animatronics. Hair stylist, responsible for wigs, cuts, and styling. Key hair stylist, manages continuity for hairstyles across shooting days. 8. Locations. Location manager, scouts locations, negotiates permits with city governments and private owners, manages parking for trucks, and deals with neighborhood relations, noise complaints. 9. Special effects, SFX, not to be confused with VFX. Special effects coordinator, this department handles physical, on-set effects. Rain, wind, snow, fire, explosions, squibs, fake blood bullets, and mechanical rigs, like tilting a boat or shaking a car. 10. Stunts. Stunt coordinator, choreographs action sequences, fights, car crashes, falls. They hire stunt doubles to perform high-risk maneuvers in place of the principal actors to ensure safety. 11. Transportation. Transportation coordinator, manages the fleet of vehicles. This includes star trailers, campers, pony wagons, bathrooms, wardrobe for background actors, picture cars, the hero vehicles driven on screen, and equipment trucks. 12. Catering and craft service. Catering provides the hot meals, breakfast and lunch. Craft service provides the snack station. This is a crucial morale department. They supply coffee, drinks, and snacks throughout the 12 to 14-hour shooting days. 13. Post-production. Once principal photography wraps, these departments begin their work. Editor assembles the raw footage into a coherent story. Assistant editor manages the media, syncs sound, and outputs cuts. Visual effects (VFX) supervisor manages the digital effects (CGI), green screen compositing that are added in post. Sound department post includes dialogue editors, Foley artists who recreate footsteps and cloth rustles, sound designers who create creature roars or sci-fi sounds, and re-recording mixers who balance dialogue, music, and effects for the final mix. Composer writes the original score, music, for the film. Colorist takes the final cut and adjusts the color grading to ensure continuity and achieve the final look defined by the DP director. Summary: above the line versus below the line. In budgeting, these departments are split into two categories. 1. Above the line ATL, the creative talent whose salaries and quotes are usually set before the budget is finalized. This includes the writer, director, producer, and principal cast. 2. Below the line BTL, the technical and logistical crew listed above, camera, grip, electric, art, etc. Their costs are calculated based on the length of the shoot and the scale of the production. Main film departments. Department. Production. Main responsibility. Budget. Schedule. Contracts. Logistics. Crew coordination. Direction. Main responsibility. Directorial vision. Scene execution. Actors, and set coordination. Writing and script. Main responsibility. Story, screenplay, dialogue. Script continuity. Casting. Main responsibility. Finding and selecting actors. Locations. Main responsibility. Scouting, securing, and managing shooting locations. Production design, art. Main responsibility. Sets, props, decoration, graphics, and visual environment. Costume, wardrobe. Main responsibility. Character clothing and costume continuity. Hair and makeup. Main responsibility. Actor appearance, makeup, hairstyling, and special makeup. Camera, cinematography. Main responsibility. Camera operation, lenses, framing, and image quality. Lighting, electrical. Main responsibility. Lighting equipment and electrical power on set. Grip. Main responsibility. Camera support, cranes, dollies, rigs, and safety equipment. Production sound. Main responsibility. Recording dialogue and other sounds during filming. Action, stunts. Main responsibility. Stunt choreography, fight, scenes, and safety. Choreography. Main responsibility. Dance, movement, and song sequences. Transport. Main responsibility. Vehicles, drivers, equipment. Movement and travel. Catering, craft services. Main responsibility. Food, refreshments, and basic set services. Post-production. Main responsibility. Editing, color grading, titles, and final delivery. Sound post-production. Main responsibility. Dialogue editing, dubbing, Foley, sound effects, and mixing. Music. Main responsibility. Background score, songs, recording, and music supervision. Visual effects, VFX. Main responsibility. Computer-generated effects, compositing, and digital enhancements. Publicity and distribution. Main responsibility. Posters, trailers, promotions. Release planning and distribution. 3 broad phases. These departments work across 3 main phases. Pre-production, development, writing, budgeting, casting, scheduling, locations, and preparation. Production, filming, acting, camera, lighting, sound, costumes, makeup, art, and set operations. Post-production, editing, sound, music, VFX, colorist grading, publicity, and distribution. For a small short film, one person may handle several departments. For example, the director might also be the writer and editor, while a production assistant may help with locations, props, transport, and scheduling.
ABBA Universal Films, AUFI, an Indian films production and distribution company founded by filmmaker Mr. S.K. Steve in 2026, Chief Executive Officer of ABBA Group of Companies, Mr. S.K. Steve, the founder cum chairman of the ABBA Universal Films production and distribution company worldwide, the ABBA ADMART Private Limited, established in 2017. Mr. S.K. Steve, the film producer, film director, film story writer, and film music director, ABBA Universal Film Productions' upcoming project film, My Secret Love 2 Hearts, My Secret Queen Crown, presented by ABBA Universal Film, produced by ABBA ADMART Private Limited. Shooting in progress in English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, and Malayalam, written and directed by S.K. Steve. A large feature film can involve 30 or more major departments, and each department may contain several specialized units and dozens or hundreds of crew members. The exact structure varies according to the film's scale, genre, location, budget, and use of VFX. Thank you for watching ABBA Film News. ABBA News Front YouTube channel.